On healthy eating. This channel this episode right now is going to be on harvesting the red beans. As you can see, that this is how it really looks, this little rustic color here when it's ready to harvest. I tried dumping some nutrients. It looked like the nutrients it's not helping it, so it's just ready now for taking off and harvesting. So I'm going to show you a little bit on what the pods look like. What's the greatest candidate here would be this one. As you can see, it's nice and dry. So this is a good indicator that it's getting ready to dry now. So we can definitely take these pods off that we think it's already ready, and then dry them inside. So I want to do a little bit of updating in the garden. This is the cilantro here. I mean, I cut some out, as you can see. And then this is from the previous video. Look how nice these are sprouting. Yeah, once you plant, you just got to learn how to cut them. Don't cut them the babies, only cut the main adults here. Look at our corn. Or corn, what am I talking about? Carrots. I'm over here. And then these are little cilantros. We got oh, look who we got here. I'll just kill those there. Alrighty, and then this is the salad. It's growing beautiful. Oh yeah, there's a lot to put on this video. This is almost ready for harvest. Green beans, almost ready. And this is the beautiful corn. But yeah, this is a quick update on the garden. If you guys want to like and subscribe, that'll be awesome. Hit the Facebook page and see other pictures. Thank you again for viewing this, and have a nice grow.